Right, this is just a recording going over some 3x3 simultaneous equations. As you can see, I've got the first three equations here, 1, 2, and 3 written down. And what I'm going to try and do is eliminate one of these variables. The easiest one here, by the looks of it, is to eliminate the y variable. So what I've done is my first equation, I've just added the first two, and that has given me 3x plus 4z equals 23. Now, to eliminate y again, I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2, and then I'm going to add it to the third equation. Now, when I do that, I'm going to multiply this one by 2, so I'm going to get 2x plus a 4x will give me a 6x. And if I multiply this one here, the y by 2, it's going to eliminate the y's. If I multiply the last one by 2, I'm going to have 2 times 3z, which will be 6z, plus z will give me 7z. Multiplying the last constant by 2 as I get 40. So 40 plus 1 is 41. Now I've eliminated the y variables. It's just time to eliminate one more of the variables. The easiest one here is to eliminate the x. So if I multiply the equation 4 all by 2, I'm going to come up with another equation. If I multiply this one here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that by 2 and then subtract 4 from 5. So I go 6x minus 6x, so I've got no x's left. Then I'm going to have 8z minus 7z, so it just leaves me with a z. And I will have 46 minus 41, which is 5. So straight away I've eliminated all of the other variables, and now I've got z equals 5. Now what I then do is substitute that back in. So I'm going to substitute that back into the equation. If I then substitute this sub into back into equation 5. So I substituted it back into equation 5, and then I got, wherever I saw a z, I stuck a 5. So I've got 6x plus 7 times 5 is 41. So then 6x plus 35 is 41. So I found that x equals 1. If I then substitute both x and z back into the equation 3, I can work out what y is, and I find out that y is negative 4. Okay, so what do? You eliminate one of the variables. You eliminate in this case I eliminated the y, and you come up with a 2 by 2, just like the earlier examples that we were doing.